Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. I'm bringing you another one today. I hope you guys enjoyed the Kung Lao video, but I wanted to go over a girl this time. When I found her, at first I didn't think she was that good. I thought she was like whatever. Her moves seemed kind of stable. She didn't have many mix-ups. But later on, when I found out that if you shoot the shotgun a good distance, it brings dust in your eyes. You can follow it up with anything. As soon as you do it, you just run. Use the running mechanic, which I will be showing you and getting more in depth with that Friday. You just run up to it and you just basically do a free combo with them. It's like a stun from a range and it's super fast. Other than that, her other combos are pretty stable. They start from a mid combo and it goes up to really good combos, but it's hard to land. So I think you gotta basically try and catch your opponents and read opponents with her. You can't really do rush downs. You can't really play defensive. You gotta really play outsmarting with her. So I hope you guys enjoyed the combo video. Make sure you let me know in the descriptions. And I noticed you guys wanted me to put annotations in the video. I will start doing that Friday as well. I'm just going to put a little less combos because it is time consuming and I do go to school and all. But other than that, I hope you do enjoy the video. And let me know what you guys think. Later.
Roll now.